The Amazon jungle, the largest tropical rainforest in the world, is burning. The forest contains 10% of the planet's biodiversity and plays a crucial role in global climate stability. Over 20% of the forest has already been lost, and projections show that at this rate, there won't be much left by the turn of the century. In 2019, the Amazon experienced a devastating and unprecedented fire season, with over 40,000 reported fires and 3,500 square miles of forest lost. It's estimated that an area the size of a soccer field and a half is lost every minute. Our team, led by award-winning filmmaker Michael Suyerski, decided to embark on an investigative journey to uncover the real reasons behind the catastrophic destruction of the Amazon forest. We're already seeing consequences of deforestation and climate change. In South America, there are almost double the rate of fires that there were historically. You know, everybody's aware that there is environmental damage happening. People know that the Amazon is being lost, but I don't think that most people really connected to what's on their fork at that particular moment. And that's what's got to happen. People have to realize we've got a choice. We can choose to save the Amazon, or we can choose to lose it forever. The choice is right here on our plate. Many people don't understand that when they eat meat in Los Angeles, California, or New York, that meat could have been the result of deforestation in Brazil. Stop anyone on the street and ask them, why are the rainforests being cut down? Some of the slightly more aware people might say palm oil, but most people would say oh, because of wood for houses. And they would have no idea that there's a connection between animal agriculture and deforestation. And it's all wrapped up in that burger. And for them to sell it at $2.99